Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an unboxing video for you and I am so excited about this one. We ordered this, I think it was the Monday after Mother's Day, and it just arrived today from Shopdisney, of course. And you get to see it the same time I'm seeing it in person. It's a Loungefly, did you guess? But, what is the design? I'm so excited. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I can't. Dapper Dans. You just gotta love them. So they're on the Main Street trolley. And it's an all over print. Let's see, we've got the castle, the trolley, the Dapper Dans kind of here and there, Mickey balloons, Mickey pretzels and popcorn. We've got gold Loungefly hardware, and the base of the bag is a navy blue, which I really think complements the Dapper Dans and all the other colors on here. I really like it. Side pockets on either side of the bag, which I've really decided that I really do like. Because I used one the other day that I just forgot didn't have side pockets, and I was sad. Front zipper. We're just going to go ahead and take all this out. Y'all know I'm using this tomorrow. The front pattern goes all the way down the inside. The pattern is different on the front side. Got the striped Dapper Dan pattern, and it's got Dapper Dans. They're kind of like peeking out from the stripes with little music notes. Oh please, paper. Oh, that's interesting. The stripe pattern is on the sides, the front, and the bottom, but not the back. The back is plain green, and it's got the Funko Pop by Loungefly plaque on the inside. There is, however, no inside zippy pocket in the back, but that's fine. She's still cute. OMG. Oh, and the Loungefly plaque on the front is red, and it actually says Disney Parks Loungefly. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this one. It does have an accompanying wallet, which I did not get yet. It also has a pin that matches it. And you know Brandon had to get this. He's had this for weeks. This came out on Shopdisney first. This bag I saw on Instagram, and the post that I saw said it had been spotted in London, maybe? I don't know. I just had to patiently wait. I wasn't sure if it was going to come to Shopdisney or just into the parks or what was going to happen, but it appeared on Shopdisney, and my loving husband bought it for me while I was sleeping because he's up at all hours of the night. So when I woke up, I was like, what is this Shopdisney order? Pins again? No, it was this. Did you see this Loungefly on Shopdisney, or did you find it in the parks, anywhere around Walt Disney World, or elsewhere in the world? Let me know in the comments below. If you just had to have it like I did, what's your favorite part about it? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, remember, no capes.